Welcome to TIE. It's really been a pleasure to be here with a lot of people full of enthusiasm, and some are entrepreneurs, some are becoming entrepreneurs. So it's always a pleasure to be a part of this event as a volunteer. Today I'm going to briefly introduce you to TIE and what TIE Pune chapter does over a period of, there are many activities. Most of you have been to these events earlier, so you know, but I could definitely see new faces, and every event brings out new faces to these kind of events. So for them, it will be interesting to know what TIE is. Started in Silicon Valley in 1992 by successful entrepreneurs of Indian origin, Kamal Rekhi, Vinod Khosla and others. TIE focus is on nurturing next generations as well as existing entrepreneurs. So the focus is on nurturing entrepreneurs. TIE is present in 17 countries, 61 chapters and 15,000 members, and these numbers are growing. And in fact, that's what I'm going to request you at the end of the session. If you want to become a TIE member, you can connect with Mandar and he will let you know all the details. The Indus Entrepreneur fosters entrepreneurship globally through mentoring, networking, and inspiration. So, as an entrepreneur, we always strive for networking. We always want to connect with like-minded people. We always try to find support systems. So, TIE is a wonderful platform because you get to know a lot of people who can be helpful to you in your business endeavor. TIE hosts a wide range of programs and events, including TIECon, the largest professional and networking conference for entrepreneurs. So, I'm still in the hangover of TIECon, which occurred in March, and it was a fabulous event. I was talking to Vishwas some time back, and it really recharged me for almost a year. I'm looking forward to TIECon 2014 now. I think most of you were there, and if you missed it for one or the other reason, I'll request you to keep track of TIECon 2014. You will definitely not repent on your decision. There are several TIE programs, and through these programs, TIE tries to reach out to the entrepreneurs in you. My Story sessions, in fact today we are for one of such My Story sessions. In this My Story sessions, what we normally do is we share entrepreneur success stories. We invite entrepreneurs, successful entrepreneurs who made a mark in this business world, and we make them tell their stories, share their experiences with you. First and third Friday is normally when we schedule these events. So you can look for the emailers which we'll receive from TIE Pune chapter for these events. Then mentoring sessions. I think mentor is a very important element into our growth. So TIE Pune chapter arranges mentoring sessions, one-on-one sessions with senior entrepreneurs, idea validation, matchmaking, etc. So these are the highlights of these one-on-one mentoring sessions. Most of the time when we think, because entrepreneurs are creative by their genes, by their DNA, but most of the time we are not really sure of what we are really thinking will really work in the real world or not. So idea validation is something wherein TIE can definitely help you, because TIE Pune has got a lot of members who are successful businessmen, entrepreneurs, so they'll be able to validate your ideas. And Nurture initiative, Nurture program launched recently. In fact, I witnessed the entire Nurture 1.0 initiative. It was really an excellent program. Nurture 2.0 is already launched. So that is a main event, you can say, for this mentoring activity. Breakfast meetings. We conduct a lot of breakfast meetings wherein we invite people to share their ideas over a brunch in the morning. Common interest topics are covered, and most of the time these topics are functional topics, so how to market your product, or what are the taxation challenges a business, normally a business faces. So these kind of functional topics are discussed during these breakfast sessions. Participant view contribution, people who can, who come to that event can actually participate in that event. They can share their query, their idea, their challenges. And this event is normally arranged on alternate Thursdays at Grupshop. If you are from Pune, Grupshop is on on Law College Road, I believe. So again, look for the specific mailer which will come to your inbox, and this will give you relevant details about who is going to talk in this event. Training workshops, a lot of training workshops are arranged, full-day training workshops. Funding, building business models, etc., which are very relevant and important to entrepreneurs. And other events like business plan competitions. I think recently TiE Pune organized a business plan competition for business school students, which was really a very good initiative. I mean, we tried to give students exposure to what actually happens in the business world, and their business plans were judged by people who are into business. And nurture initiative, I spoke about that. So today we are for this My Story session. We have conducted 20 sessions since April 2012 in different formats: first generation entrepreneurs, social entrepreneurs, women entrepreneurs, inheritors to innovators series, and Puneri brands. So we covered the whole spectrum of entrepreneurship in these My Story sessions. And for me, the most important part of this is you can actually see that person in blood and flesh in front of you, and most of the time his energy really impresses you, because when he talks, when he relates to his past, when he relates to his challenges, I mean, I've seen this happening with me. I mean, you can actually feel the goosebumps. So this is the best part, and this is one of the best event that I like organized by TiE Pune. Over 2,000 attendees have attended these events, so you'll be added into the tally now. And videos are on YouTube, photos are on Facebook, so you can check the previous events. If you go to YouTube, we have a channel, I believe, TiE Pune, and you can check all the videos there. These are few names: Kailash Katkar, Quick Hill, Mukund Bhogle, Nirlep, then Mr. Gaikwad from BBG Group, Abhimanyu Sable from ABS Gyms Fitness. So, I mean, all these people you'll actually see a kind of a different kind of person into a different kind of business. You'll be able to actually get his entire life story in this 1 hour, one and a half hour event. Interactive breakfast meetings, alternate Thursdays, as I explained earlier, in Grupshop. Over 800 people have participated and shared their experiences. Over 30 breakfast meetings on variety of subjects. So I was talking about this, that functional subjects are normally handled in these breakfast events. So how to use social media, apply theory of constraints, building teams, then holistic leadership. So these are the topics which are very close to our heart, which you can actually implement in your day-to-day business or personal life. In other activities, we have TiE International Business Plan Competition. Got connected with business schools, had 15 entries. I was speaking about this earlier. We conducted this program for business schools and we conducted this competition. In workshops, we do full day workshops on selling, funding, business model. Funding is something which is, I think, every entrepreneur is something is always looking for this word, funding. So we do a lot of activities, exercises, training programs on funding. Selling, which is another important part which is covered in these workshops. Oversold, and were given excellent ratings by participants. So this is something wherein you'll actually see that people have rated us for the quality of the workshop, and we oversold, like the Apple WWDC. Okay, so this is the success. And in new initiatives, we have Nurture, mentoring initiative. Nurture 2.0 is already on, and Stree Shakti Women Entrepreneurs Forum, wherein we invite women entrepreneurs. And these programs are normally arranged for women entrepreneurs, so they can come and they can share their challenges while starting up. Nurture 2.0 is launched in November 2012 after huge success of Nurture 1.0. Mentors will groom emerging companies for 6 months. Monthly training workshops on key topics, business plan to business